Any tips for a first-time bike rider? Devil's Backbone, open space. All right, we're off. The first test of Micah's new Specialized. I'm trailing in my nice beach cruising bike because they didn't have any bikes in the large that I was interested in. So let's see how far I can manage to get. And we are at Devil's Backbone, Loveland, Colorado. Looking lovely. So far, extremely out of shape, so I'll edit out the huffing and puffing. Find your trail, pick your line. Woo! Yep. Nice full suspension up there. 29er. Rock shocks. What else you got on that? Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Good one.
You too. The locals know to give way to the noobs. Give way to the Floridians. I'll take this opportunity to take a break. My lungs hurt. And I don't think we've started to see any elevation yet. I gotta get all that salt air out of my lungs. Whew! Look how far we've made it. Look at that backbone though. Oh man.
Get up there.
We gotta ride that ridge. What do you got? What are you riding?
Just a Specialized.
All right. I hope that was a good enough break. Looks like it's about to get interesting. And I'm gonna say this is probably the limit to my bike. I'm not ashamed to walk it. That might be the end of what my bike is capable of here. You can't blame it on your bike.
My bike's capable of it. The end of what I'm capable of. And that's where it goes.
Yeah. I'm in my lowest gear. Might be
Where'd he go? I think he stopped at the moment.
He did. He's right up here. He's watching us. He's laughing at us because we're huffing and puffing. If nothing else, this will be fun to zip back down, so let's get up it a little bit more. Here we go. All right, let's see what a real bike can do. Let's see if I should go spend my life savings here. Whew. Are you kidding me? Holy junk. This feels like nothing. You've got to be kidding me. Micah. This is pathetic. Wow. I'm going to buy a new bike. This is what it's supposed to feel like. Oh, this is nice. Now it's just like a elliptical, or I'm going so stinking fast. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Not paying any attention. Just trying to make that climb.
Just started out mountain biking completely?
Correct.
Oh my. You picked a doozy. This is a tough trail.
Go ahead and give me a little lesson on etiquette. I'm coming uphill, so I'm gonna...
You have the right of way with bikes. You're supposed to yield to walkers, runners, and horses. If you're going downhill on a bike, then you should have preference over bikes coming uphill of the same mode of transportation has the right of way. But kind of play it by ear. A lot of walkers, they'll just immediately get off the trail and just thank them. And
thanks for the lesson.
Thank you.
I think I've reached the limit of my bike. Costco bike, you've done well. You've gotten me to see the Devil's Backbone. I don't think there'll be any climbing the ridge or anything. But great view. Downhill will be fun. See that 135 millimeter travel sucks up all these descents. We'll see how my hard forks manage. I'm gonna say these elbows will probably come in handy today. Pick your lines. I should probably put my seat down. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Oh yeah, listen to those chain flops. Tell you what, it's easier going down. I should have dropped my seat though. I'm gonna drop my seat. Nice. That's fine.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Do that with your bike.
Yeah, I'll push it out of the way.
You ready to take this? Oh, this is nice. This bike actually handles this very well. Okay. Costco strikes again. Little zigzag here. Little up and down like that. Foot off the trail. Not supposed to do that. I tell Christian I'm learning on a yeah, hardtail, hard fork. Become better.
Takes some time, about 20 minutes.
No. Oh, I wish I had that drop seat. Yep. Here we go. Picking up speed. Too much speed. Here we go. See what we can do here. Going up. Watch that. I had to slam on my brake. Okay, here we go. Get back. Weight behind the wheel. Straight shot. Little loop, loop, loop. Loop. Bump, bump. Okay. I'm getting out of breath. All right, I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna rest. My body hurts. All right, that was something. We started here, took it up to the natural loop, past that rim rock trail, and we got to the beginning of this loop. I think we turned around right before the beginning of this loop. Came back down, and there's endless options after that, which we're gonna have to be in better shape before we attempt all that.